Guys, my son played the squishy dumpling. Sorry, on my own phone I couldn't do it, but I'm just going to unbox it. So, guys, oh my god, we got the hold on. It's ready. No, this is only for the future. Put this together for the future. I'm going to collect these until I get the golden one. In the US, it's a glitter on. So, bye.